Chewy, cylindrical rice cakes bathed in a creamy, mildly spicy sauce, dancing with the sweetness of sugar and the umami punch of gochujang. If you enjoy Korean spicy rice cake, then Rose Tteokbokki is for you. Start by cutting hot dogs into smaller pieces and cut small slits on the sides. Transfer in a bowl and set aside. Next, slice fish cakes into thick strips. Place in a bowl and set aside. In a thick bottom pan, heat all over medium heat. Sauté onion until translucent. Cook garlic until fragrant. Add fried fish cake and hot dog slices and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Dip in tomato sauce and gochujang sauce, then mix well to incorporate. Add water, sugar, dashi powder, salt, and pepper. Stir to combine ingredients. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour and stir whipping cream and simmer for another 2 minutes. Add the gurediak or rice cakes and gently mix to incorporate with other ingredients. Simmer for additional 2 minutes. Optionally, you can add hard-boiled eggs. Remove from heat and transfer in a serving bowl. Serve and enjoy!